The figure below is formed by a square and a semicircle. To find the perimeter of the figure. I think we did this question. I mean, we did this kind of question quite a few times already. So I'm just gonna do it quite quickly now. So for this, the square has a perimeter of, okay, the square has a side of 21, right? So this will be 21 because for the square, all the sides are equal. So this will be 21 as well, which means that the diameter for this circle will be 21 as well. So how do we find the circumference of this semicircle? It will be half times pi times diameter. Okay, so half times pi given to be 22/7. Do not use the one inside calculator, please. Okay, multiply by diameter, so diameter will be 21 over here. Okay, then what can you do? Change your diameter to fraction and then start multiplying. This one will give us 11 times 21/7. This will give us 33. Okay, so 33 cm would be this length. Okay, let me double check. Correct. So it's 33. So you have to take 33 plus 3 sets of 21 over here, giving us 33 plus 63. Therefore, your answer will be 96 cm. Okay, done.